Under a microscope, the natural world reveals an extraordinary level of complexity and beauty. From the intricate patterns on a butterfly's wing to the delicate structure of a flower petal, the wonders of nature are brought into sharp focus in this microscopic exploration. Tiny organisms that inhabit our oceans and forests, such as diatoms and mosses, demonstrate the incredible diversity and complexity of life at a microscopic scale. As we delve deeper into this hidden world, we uncover the hidden structures and processes that make up the intricate tapestry of the natural world. The delicate balance of nature is a constant source of wonder, as we observe the intricate interactions between tiny organisms and their environments. Through the microscope, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate beauty and complexity of the natural world, and a greater understanding of the role that these microscopic wonders play in sustaining life on Earth. So join us on this journey into the hidden world beneath our feet, and discover the wonders of nature that can only be seen through the lens of a microscope.